so today we are going to make slime. So let's get started. I am showing you the ingredients for making the slime. First we need two ice cream sticks. This is Fevicol. You can take any white glue. Please don't use clear glue. I am taking two bowls. In one bowl there will be warm water and there will be baking soda, boric acid, and this boric acid will be available in any medical store near your house, and 1 spoon. First I have prepared warm water. In the warm water I will be adding a spoon of boric acid. Please mix the boric acid to let it dissolve in the water. After 1 or 2 minutes, the boric acid has dissolved in the water. Now I will add a pinch of baking soda in it. Then our activator will be ready at home. I have added a pinch of baking soda. Now I will mix it gently. Now I have mixed my solution with baking soda. Now I am going to add some glue in my another bowl. I have added glue in my another bowl. Now I am going to add moisturizer. Now I am adding Vaseline moisturizer. You can add any moisturizer which will be available at your home. Now I will mix my glue and moisturizer. After mixing glue and moisturizer, now I will add our solution. So now you can see that our slime is going to be ready. I am mixing my slime continuously, and you can see that our slime is ready. Almost it has been ready. Now I am adding little more solution in my slime. Wow! You can see slime. It has been ready. After mixing it, I see the slime has been ready. The slime is ready, and you can see the slime is very stretchy and it is very beautiful. Please try this recipe, slime recipe. And if you like this recipe, please comment in the comment section, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your families and friends. So take care and bye bye.